Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a graphic design tool with Canva, full guide step by step clearly. To build a graphic design tool using Canva, start by signing into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Canva website and filling in the necessary information. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Canva interface. Begin by exploring the various templates available on the homepage. Choose a template that suits the project you wish to create. Canva offers categories like presentations, social media graphics, and posters. Click on the desired category to view the available designs. Select a specific template that catches your eye. This action will open the template in the editing workspace. Take a moment to understand the tools available on the left side of the screen. These include elements, text, photos, and background options. Start customizing the template by clicking on text elements to edit them. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment according to your preference. Add images by clicking the Photos tab, where you can search for visuals. Drag and drop your chosen image onto the design. Resize and reposition the image as needed. Next, explore the Elements tab to incorporate shapes or icons. Use these to enhance your design's visual appeal. Adjust the layers by right-clicking on elements to send them forward or backward. Once satisfied with your design, preview it by clicking the Preview button at the top. Make any final adjustments before saving. To save your work, click the Download button in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or PDF. Finally, click the Download button to export your design to your device. You have now successfully created a graphic design tool using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.